Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk why I still think that the Bitcoin is going to continue its retracement even lower. So we are going to low the latest lower. And what I'm talking about. You remember, if you have watched my first video or my second video, so if you haven't still watched it, so please go and watch it first, because in this case you will understand what I'm talking about. You see this last consolidation, and then we saw this hit of this consolidation and the latest momentum. What happened next? Next, we see here that the Bitcoin price over in this maximum even couldn't reach out the previous maximum. So this means that the effort that the buyers put in the Bitcoin trend are not that strong, not strong enough. So we have the same opportunity to go even faster and to go even higher, but in this case we stopped even lower than the previous maximum and even much more lower than the previous maximum. Okay, so what can we see here? What can we see right now? Right now we are seeing that we have a descending maximum over here, and over here. What does it mean? It means that here we see some interest zone. What I mean when I'm talking about the interest zone, this is the zone where the most traders are going to make decision. For example, let's take over here number 1, and let's take for example over here number 2. What we have here, we have just momentum that going and going up and up and up without even retracement. Here we see in point 2, we see some consolidation and we see this zone, and whenever we will break this zone, for example if we will break it lower, most of the traders, I'm not talking about institutional trader, because we have no idea what they are thinking about, where they are going to enter or quit the market. So we just can think about normal trader like we are, so what they are going to do in this situation. So here they're probably still waiting for the entrance, but here if they will see the hit of this break, so if they will see the break of the zone, they have a backup to go even lower, to test this zone or to test this zone. So we will see 2 points of take profit. So for me, this zone over 9,400 or 9,500, it's really important, and you have to follow, you have to watch this zone. So what happened next? We see this triangle, and sometimes if you have read some technical analysis book or technical analysis article, or you are following some traders who are trading with the triangle or whenever stuff he trades. So this kind of triangle goes up because it's still, we have an uptrend. Here we have a little stop, and after that, regarding all the uptrends, it's going even up, so it's continued to be an uptrend. But to my opinion, regarding my experience, I can tell you that not every time this market going up, this triangle going up, if we will see the break of the triangle to downtrend, so you can open your short position and go even lower. Let's take a look on our weekly chart. If you see this weekly chart, you will understand, and if you will see it closer, you will understand that right now we're seeing the biggest triangle that Bitcoin have ever formed. And I will draw it, but I'm not take care right now of drawing it really carefully or accurately. So it depends on you. Of course, you have to be meticulous in this stuff, and you have to follow this trend. You see, we see the Bitcoin that's going up to 20,000, then it descending to 3,000, and then we see right now that we stay in, and we're logically have to pull back on this zone and going even lower. What can we expect? we can expect take profit on all this zone. That's why I think that the Bitcoin right now will make like more deep retracement, because lots of other players, if they have a big amount of money, they are going to enter the market for their price, and you have to follow their price. So they're not going to enter the market right now, they're going to make it to enter it lower. And of course I might be wrong, because I'm just a trader, I'm just market analysis trader, but we can break the zone and go even higher. But let's see, what do you think? So thank you, thumbs up, and subscribe my channel.